Hi, this is Kathy Lee and welcome to my video. This is just a continuation of sharing some of the decorative items Tula XII has for Christmas in 2022. First, I want to show you Tula XII always has an item that you can get with any order, and if you spend $29 ordering, you get this cute little gnome post-it notes. The gnomes made me do it for just $1. After you place $29 worth of stuff in your cart, you can add this for just $1. Also, you can order up to 3 of them. So if you spend $90, you can order 3 of these for $1 each. That's our little gnome. The gnomes made me do it. Sticky notes from Tula XII. Just wanted to show you that. That is the monthly special for the month of November only. Another item I wanted to show you is I am a penguin lover. Many of you know that. And we have this beautiful journal. Our journals are $14.95, I believe. And some of our journals have lines, some of them have dot grids, some of them have blank pages. So our beautiful little penguins on the front here. And they go all the way around to the back. And on the inside we have blank pages here and the line pages. Nice heavy paper. Most of my pens don't show through. I do not use Sharpies in these, so those might show through, but most of the pens I use in my planner don't show through. That's an adorable penguin planner. I love him. And then I want to show you the cute little charms. I don't have these out of the bag, sorry. Our little charms are $7.95, and these are a couple of the Christmas ones. There's also a pretty white polar bear with red stitching on the end. This is a gift one, and the adorable little gingerbread man. You can add these to your planner, you can add them to a gift, you can add them to a ribbon or bow, you can make fun dangles. It's really a lot of fun ideas for these, and they have the nice little lobster claw and the teeny tiny Tula XII, the 12 charm. And in addition to the Christmas charms, there are a bunch of other charms on the website. So I will put a link to the website in the description or in the comments of this video. And the other thing I wanted to show you is this beautiful tin. It's the keychain planner and deco kit. And it's wrapped in this nice little tin. You could just add a bow. And in it, I don't know if you guys have seen these before. It's this itty bitty Tula XII planner. And I'm sorry I don't have one assembled, but I do, but it's just not, it's in my display items, so I don't have it in my room with me. But I will pull this out real quick so you can see. It's made just like our planners. It has 2 little jump bands. This is the outside. It's got the polar bear, isn't he adorable? And then the Tula XII gold foiling. And then it says, "Oh, what fun." And then when you open it up, oh, what fun with that adorable little penguin. And a little pocket there. And then it has 2 of the bullet journal inserts that you stick on these, just like we do with the regular planner. And it also has the keychain ring that you can slide through up here. So it has a cute little planner. And then, you know me, I like to decorate my planner, so they also have a teeny deco set for this itty bitty planner, because the regular deco kits, the stickers and stuff, would probably be a little big. So I'll pull this out. Adorable stickers for it. The same stickers you see on the Fa La La embellishments. Sweet little stickers that are the perfect size for that small planner. And then mini versions of the chipboard embellishments. The polar bear, a penguin. The penguin's lifting his hand up. This one, he's going, hurrah, hurrah. And this little guy is raising his hand or stretching, I'm not sure. And these are different than the ones in the other kit. In the other kit, this guy's holding a present. This one he's playing. And then this itty bitty little, 'tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Little tiny journaling card. How cute is that? And then little tiny squares of our decorative paper. How cute is that little fa la 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 teeny tiny deco kit? I absolutely love it. These are available while supplies last only, and they will probably sell out. And I would need to look and see. I don't think I have the price for him, so I will find the price and put it in the comments or the description of this video. And that's a Tula XII keychain planner and deco kit in the nice little tin. That's the other I have to show, and thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, please put your questions in the comment, or you can message me. And that's just another look at a few of our Christmas items. Thanks for watching.